Hello YouTube, I want to show you the Wyze plug. This came in yesterday. So Wyze plug is like a smart plug, works with Alexa and Google and IFTT. It's a 2-pack plug which I ordered directly from Wyze, and comes with the stickers. As you can see here, I already cut that out. See, it has a plastic around it, so you can see the ratings: 120 volts, 60 hertz, output 120 volts, 15 amps max, made in China. There you go. It's a good made. Comparing to my TP-Link, this is my TP-Link. TP-Link switches here and has a button here on the other side too. They're virtually same size. So just to compare, it's a penny and a quarter comparison. As you can see here, still covered in plastic, so I'm not taking that out. Instead, I'll be cutting it so that it's still covered. I cut it with my crafty scissor here. Yeah, just cut it all around there. Can follow it this way if you have a crafty scissor. Yeah, then you save the plastic cover. There you go. Easy. Yeah. I actually have 4 here and I put a number there. See, I didn't actually wrote on the unit, but save the plastic. There you go. This is unboxing of the Wyze plug. Thank you.